supposed to be a bowling, a newcomers bowling event, right?
Yep.
What's your name?
Anand.
Anand. I'm Danny.
Nice to meet you.
And your name?
Alice.
Alice.
Yes. Mika.
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 Miga or Mika?
Mika.
Mika. Okay, nice to meet you all.
My name is Mimi.
Yeah, Mika. Hi Alice, how are you doing?
Hello.
Mika.
Miga or Mika?
Imagine 40 people actually come. Embarrassing.
I'm not bowling.
It's not bowling, ice cream.
We needed something revolutionary.
Yeah, Mika. Hi Alice, how are you doing?
Hello.
How you guys doing?
Yeah, my name is Mimi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
You're gonna be
What's
on
your
the
name?
next
Kunal.
award-winning
Kunal.
YouTube.
Nice.
Oh man.
Oh, nice to meet you.
first YouTube appearance.
How you doing?
Good, how are you doing today?
Danny.
Oh my god.
Kunal, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you as well.
Imagine 40 people actually come. Embarrassing.
I'm not bowling.
It's not bowling, ice cream.
Do you have something to say to Paul?
Hello.
Hey!
Okay, coffee
This is a
again.
good man.
I know.
Oh, here's a better one.
Another one. Danny. How are you?
Hey, the motorcycle guy.
Yes.
All the known faces.
How are you doing?
Doing good.
Good to see you.
Yes.
You're posting left and right. Welcome back.
I told you, you gotta keep beard on.
Keep it? Keep it for Christmas maybe.
Anything. Not even the lights on the night.
Made of the Mist you went?
We did that.
We got the rain gear on, you go under behind the falls.
In the
That
tunnel.
was amazing.
Beautiful. You could be travel guides and make it look very attractive.
Cheers!
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Do you want ice cream?
Oh,
Why not?
no, thank you.
Why not?
I
One
want
coffee
to
or
take your
beer?
videos. I want to
From
take more.
Japan and see my
Genki desu ka?
twin.
Genki desu. You too or Japan?
No, not Japan, Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's Cantonese for you.
Yeah, Cantonese, yeah.
I'm Danny. What's your name?
I'm Michael.
Michael?
Hey, good to meet you. Yeah, oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
So,
Nice
yeah.
to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you, man.
I
Yeah.
know.
Vietnamese stuff.
Yeah, sure.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
India.
India. What part?
Tall.
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Hey, we are also
This is the Mumbai corner here.
Central. Yeah. Which state?
Hey, how are you doing?
Oh, I saw you from YouTube.
I'm Danny. What's your name? Supi?
Okay.
Supi? Am I saying it right?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Botswana.
Botswana. Nice. I want to do your story sometime, okay? You would be the first one I have interviewed from Botswana.
Really?
3 weeks. And you're studying?
So Masters Organic Chemistry.
No, wait.
Wow, very
I
cool.
will come inside,
This is
okay.
Jag Rudy
Yeah, we've already met.
from Botswana.
Yeah, Botswana. It was when he said, I didn't understand, but he showed me in the map, and I was like, okay, now I know.
We have almost all the continents covered soon. All right, who has something intelligent to say for the YouTube audience?
We've got a nuclear physicist.
Nuclear physicist.
Yeah. So we have got electrons outside that.
When you're done, what does somebody do with that kind of education?
So we are basically researching basic science, like trying to understand how humans are formed, how the universe was formed.
I can tell you.
Okay.
There's one see, I'm a simple guy and I have a simple faith. I'm not religious, but I do believe in one true living God, the creator. that's where it came from.
I'm sure.
I find it costs me less faith to believe that than it all came from nothing.
Yeah.
Taking a picture here of my new friend. He's a nuclear physicist in the making.
Yeah, in the making. In the making.
And you knew that we needed something revolutionary for this YouTube channel to give it a little bit of a boost.
Of course.
So this really is helping.
We'll see in the next episode.
Like and subscribe. This is my new Japanese friend. She is now. Which maybe I know. Saitama.
All right. So we have lanes, but it's at Revs in Coquitlam. So we're gonna hop and hold up, and it's right across the street. Big bowling alley called Revs.
He is on my YouTube with me talking about. He has been all over India on a motorcycle, and this guy is the brown bear. He is good man. Kate, I'm getting ready for Christmas.
Oh my! we all need a gift.
Can you help me lead the group?
Yes.
Okay, right now we need to go.
Are you coming?
Yes, he have to come in.
A little while. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Skytrain.
Okay, Danny.
Onward, upward, forward. Mush.
No,
Already.
now we are meeting.
Oh, what is your name?
Aparna?
Aparna. Your other Aparna.
Oh, there's one more Aparna?
I interviewed Aparna for YouTube. She is software engineer.
I am also software engineer.
No, you.
Most of the Indians are software engineers.
No. This guy is. Where's our friend? He is nuclear physicist,
Oh, he's a nuclear
and he is from.
Tell me something intelligent, and then I said,
Oh yeah.
here's a more intelligent guy.
About Gurjati.
Gujarati?
Gujarati.
Maserati.
Marathi.
Marathi.
Maserati is a car.
I know. I was like Maserati. Do you have Maserati?
The other one is Oreo.
I don't. Urdu. No.
No,
Odia,
not
Odia,
Oreo.
Odia.
Yeah.
Odian.
Because another
Orissa.
Aparna's from there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's
The
a
other
very-
Aparna.
Yeah.
And of course Hindi and Punjabi. Punjabi is #2 language now here in Vancouver.
Oh, yeah. I'm surprised why it's not number one.
So do you know why he's very famous in Vancouver?
No.
Because he helped Spider-Man from Mexico get his start here. He's from Mexico.
But I love Jane.
Are you you speak in Punjabi?
No.
No. Hindi?
No, Malayalam. Malayalam.
This is the first time I hear this.
Around them. So always there with
Somebody to
people.
talk to.
Yeah.
Somebody say, today I don't
Yeah.
feel so good. Oh,
Yeah.
tomorrow you'll feel good. Very cool. Now we're going, did you hear where we're going? Holden, right? Come on, let's go. What's happening in your life? What's new and exciting?
Nothing.
No?
It's normal.
Do you need Danny's matchmaking service?
Exactly.
You're a perfect girl. What are the 3 qualities you will look for this girl to be acceptable to you?
She should not dominate. That's it.
After
What do you mean?
Let's go on to #2. What's the second quality she should have?
Patience.
She should be very patient. Okay, #3?
Intelligence. Probably, I believe.
Remember, Danny's matchmaking service is free the first time.
The next time?
The next time there's a big charge.
What's that? Yeah.
You are the boss.
Yeah, exactly. You know what?
If we don't have his credit card on file, we're sending Spider-Man.
I'll go with premium services.
Okay, that's going to be I need credit card, and I'm going to use your credit card for the next 3 days to make sure it works.
Oh, shit, I forgot it in my room.
If you see a lot of samosas on there when you get your bill, that was me. I love the little samosas, especially the spicy ones.
You like spicy food?
There we go. Newcomers who are looking for a match. Yeah. We could do a speed dating. No, physical place where we have 10 or 20 men, 10 or 20 women, and they have to talk to each other, ask each other questions, then move to the next one and see if they can find a match.
That's a good idea.
So this is kind of a newcomer event. It began as a bowling experience.
Yeah, if you guys want to play, pay for the land. And I don't think.
Where's Akshay?
Like a slip on the dashboard for the parking.
Okay.
He's just gonna be back in a second.
Tell them.
We're meeting with Mimi.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this looks like an official bowling shirt.
Is
You
it?
look like,
I just need to get my shoe on.
you just need John. No problem.
Are you guys playing in this
I'm
game?
not.
You're not gonna play? Danny.
See,
You got time?
Shabbat. I'm getting the names.
No, Steve. Return.
I'm making YouTube together?
Yeah.
Okay, all you have to do is message me and we set a time.
Together, we all
I'm not too much spicy.
You're not good with spicy?
Not too much.
just like
Normal.
let's go.
Danny was just warming up. He got one cue and the second one was a gutter. Danny, tell us, how do you feel?
I feel like I will not be going into bowling anytime soon. Miga or Mika?
Imagine 40 people actually come. Embarrassing.
I'm not bowling.
It's not bowling, ice cream.
We needed something revolutionary.